There are many reasons why your computer has slowed down. From the number of apps you have installed on your computer to how many apps you keep open at a time on your machine. All of these things affect how fast or slow your computer works. If your PC is running way too slow and if you have no idea how to fix it. In order to fix the slow performance of your Windows 10 PC, the first thing you will need to do is fix the items that are causing the slowdown. It could be your startup apps, viruses, or something else. The following tips will help you find and fix these issues on your PC so your PC works faster. Okay, let's get started. In this video, I will show you 3 tips to improve computer performance on Windows 10. Tip number 1, disable startup applications. Tip number 2, remove virus and malware from your computer. Tip number 3, delete junk files to reclaim memory space. Okay, let's see number 1 tips. Disable startup applications. One of the major reasons why your PC is running slow is because you have many apps added to your startup list. All the apps that are in this list automatically launch when you boot your machine. This entire procedure eats up a lot of your resources that results in the slow performance of your machines. To stop these running apps, click on the Windows icon. Now click on the gear icon at bottom left side. Then click Apps. It will take you at all of your program page that has been installed in your PC. Okay, here we have no work. Then click on Startup at bottom left side. After going this page, you can see that some apps on your computer are running in the background at the startup. Therefore, the first thing you need to do is remove as many apps from the startup list as possible. With reduced number of apps, your PC will have to allocate lesser number of resources to your startup apps, and the remaining resources can be used to keep the performance of the system. Okay, tip number 2, remove virus and malware from your computer. Viruses and malware are another reasons why your computer performance has gone down. If your computer has recently been infected with a virus or a malware, you will want to run a full antivirus check of your machine. You can use any of the good antivirus softwares available in the market to scan and remove viruses from your computer. These softwares are easy to use, as all you need to do is click on a button and the software will automatically find and remove suspicious files from your PC. I can suggest you some antivirus to remove viruses from your PC. Avira Free Security Suite, Bitdefender Antivirus Free Edition, Avast Antivirus. You can use this free, but to get more facilities you have to go pro. I'll give the download link into the description box. Okay, number 3 tips. Delete junk files to reclaim memory space. If your PC has not been cleaned for a long time, it has likely gotten a number of junk and useless files on it. These files are usually leftover or temporary files created by the apps you have installed on your machine. Manually finding and removing these files from your machine is a really time-consuming task. Therefore, you are highly recommended to use a dedicated cleaning app to remove these files from your computer. Fortunately, you have CC Cleaner at your rescue. The app does an excellent job at detecting and deleting junk files from your computer. It comes preloaded with a bunch of cleaning tools you can use to roughly clean your machine. There are a lot of junk cleaner in the internet, but you can try that one. There are more features in CC Cleaner, but if you want to advanced features, you have to pay them. Okay, the following is how you use it on your PC. Download and install CC Cleaner on your PC. Launch the app and you will see a following screen on your PC. Now, select all the options that they offers as free. Then click on the Run Cleaner button to continue. You can see the progress of the tasks running on your machines. When the app has cleaned up your machine, you will see the following screen. That's all. Your Windows 10 computer should now be free of any junk files. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. In that video, some useful tips on how to improve computer performance on Windows 10 have been shared. You can use these tips to improve computer performance on Windows 10. If you have other questions on improve computer performance on Windows 10 or remove virus, malware, spyware, each, simply leave them in the comments and I will reply you soon. Or if you have a better way to do this, you can tell me, I will try that way. If you like this video, please like, comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe. See you soon in upcoming video. Until then, stay healthy and stay safe. Thank you.